Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2010 to 2013 Ford Transit Connect. It's a pretty easy one to do. This is the passenger side. The clip's at double speed. You've got a small cover behind that handle there. Most of these screws are Torx 20s. They're all around. That was a little challenging to get off. You got to get under it from the bottom. If you have any questions, please ask right here. If this is helpful for you, go ahead and like the video. That'll help other people, such as yourself, find it when they're looking for it. I'm trying to get that off without doing much damage to the leather. And then you've got 3 on each side. You've got, I think, 2 on the bottom. You may have to use a hand tool on this one. It's not a lot of room to get them out. Once you've done that, it comes off pretty easy. You can't really pull this paper back at the top. It's just too stuck. So just cut into it. Oh, I took off the speaker too. Just cut into it, and you can always put some painter's tape or duct tape over it later on. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was 5/16 bolts holding the glass to the regulator. You're going to take off those 2 small bolts. There you go. Little WD-40 on the 2 channels on the sides. You don't have to soak it. Give it a light spray. It makes it much easier for the window to go up and down. By the way, if your motor is dead and you can't get it up, you can cut the metal cables. Don't cut any electrical cables. You've got 4 nuts, 4 10mm nuts there, and I believe 3, I don't know if those are nuts or bolts. Probably bolts. Yeah, they were. Next up, unplug the motor. It's a little bit tight. Now, I had a little issue with this one. I had a couple issues with this one. I don't know the name of the company, but it's a good company that I've used a lot. But after it was all installed, first of all, it didn't line up properly, so I had to drill a little bit more on the hole on the bottom. After it was all said and done, I went to raise it up and down about half a dozen times, and on the last time, it just locked up, as in bad motor. So I had to come back here the next day and replace the whole thing again. Yeah, I'm trying to see why this won't line up, but it just didn't. So I bent that tab back just a little bit to see if I can get it to line up at the top. Plugging in the motor, put that back on. Now, I guess they were nuts. Are they nuts? Yeah, I think they are. So first I tried to move the post a little bit, but that wasn't working. So I eventually drilled a little bit more into the hole. And then just bring it up to the point where you can go ahead and line it up with the glass. And you should be able to figure out the rest of this just by watching it on your own. If you have any questions, please ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them within a day or so. If you find this helpful, go ahead and like the video. And I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.